Hi, this is PP here, and it's been a pleasure meeting you last time. And this time, I'm going to give you a little more information on our platform where you could do your own virtual expos, virtual summits, and few more in-depth business details so that you could run your business virtually, or rather your expo virtually. And if there is anything that you wanted to reach, please feel free to talk to me or reach me via email. I'll be more than glad to explain and give you a demo. So in order to get into a few of the features, what we really do, I would like to kind of give you a brief of about what the platform is able to or capable of doing. So as we all know, so once you land into the platform, we do have an option to give you a live demo whenever it's needed. So the demos are 100% free. You don't need to worry about it. And then today, the biggest business is happening on the virtual side. So everything is virtual. The new normal is going to be virtual, and it's already virtual. So the event industry is going through a real bad time because there is no real physical movement that's possible today because of the pandemic, and virtual events are picking up. And it's not a straightforward process. I mean, you have 100 different ways of doing a virtual event. What we would like to give here is to align or to give an option that's very close to your conventional way of doing a event, or how you have been used to it. The only difference now is you are sitting in your home or in your home office, and you're trying to experience the same way of the events that would happen. So which means it's possible to create a virtual stage, it's possible to create a virtual summit, it's possible to create all things virtually and exchange information. And if you want to reschedule it, it's much easier because there is no physical spending that you're doing here. And there is also many other new features that can be added to this. For example, you have plenty of ways to give a 360-degree experience of either your own company or your own event or your own booth. You can have secure registration, so you know who else, who to register and who is registering and stuff like that. And you also have an option to live stream your video where you can bring in experts to talk about it. And you have two ways of communication happening with the chat. And at the same time, if you're a marketing company, probably you can do a lot of online marketing as well. And at the end of the day, you will have a lot of dashboards happening because you wanted to know what happened, how many people have come, what really, all the details and stuff like that. So this is going to be a real good, way of doing things. So you don't need to worry about how things are going to work because it's been completely taken care by our team, and then we will give you the best experience that you want in a very virtual way. So as simple as that, decide your topic, invite the speakers, and promote your tickets. Or if it is already a prepaid event or something, or even if you wanted to kind of make a marketing through it, so you charge it or you don't charge it, that's up to you. But you have the ability to do an event much better. So it's all free to kind of do it. So now I will also give you another option where we could showcase you on how really a virtual summit would look like. So all I'm trying to do here is give you an idea of about how a virtual summit experience is all about. So virtual summit is something looks very real like your actual summit. I mean, imagine that you're in a 5-star hotel or a conference hall or in a big auditorium where the summit could take place, and you could keep your placeholders there so that you can market yourself to understand for the people. And similarly, you have an information desk. For example, if you wanted to talk to somebody, we have given you an option to do a chat. So start your chat, and somebody is online is going to come back and then reply all your chats and saying like when is it starting, or you can ask questions like is it free. So someone is going to reply you in a while, and you still have an option. If you're too early, like imagine that the event is going to start in another 2 or 3 days, you still have an option to collect the brochures here. You come here, collect the brochures, and you could just come back again. And you could also log in here. So you just log in. So this is a login to register yourself. So either you wanted to register, or if you have registered already, then you could just do it. So this shows that I've been already registered. So it's trying to tell me that manage your registration, so it remembers me. Otherwise you will see a small register button here. So based on that, you could just register. So imagine that I've already registered with my name and my email address. I could just go here and see what's more on managing the registration. So it says thank you for the registration, and it's by 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time today. So we can come back at 5 p.m. and then we could see really on what's going on. So this is much easy and much fast way of doing things. And coming back to how to do business. So imagine whether you're a freelancer, or you've got a real good contacts, or you have your own way of conducting the webinars at the summit, and you want it to look like the very real way. And I think we are the people who could help you out. So as you would have seen here, the hard work goes behind it is all taken care by us. All you have to do is just try to conduct a webinar or a virtual expo. I mean, that's all it is. So thanks for your time. I don't want to bore you, but for any details or anything that you wanted to do, you could come and reach us. So it's all possible. So just reach me, and then if you wanted to contact me, please do contact in these details here. So it's penyagan@gmail.com, or you could contact me at my mobile number here. So it's up to you. So thanks a lot for joining here, and see you in a while. You could also reach me or call me in my mobile number. That's also possible. So do try to reach me on my mobile number if you are an Indian customer, or even you're a foreign customer. That's okay. So let's try to kind of make this happen. Thank you so much.